Hold on, I ain't started yet. Are you ready?
Never hold my tongue, I up the gun, you better run now. I have some loose screws, you don't have tools, better use your shoes. Catch you while you snooze, think you dreaming, but he took a L. Police came and shit, guess what? Didn't go to jail. What's that on the shelf? That's the 9. Better call for help. Shout a little louder. No one hear you. Shitted on yourself. Catch me riding stealth. What that mean? You can't see the gun. Bitches in the back poking the front. Roll another one. I don't give a fuck 'cause I don't like it. I'ma send it up in the armored truck. Or the NASCAR, that bitch get up. Ever stun on me, I set you up with some bitches, bro. Look, it's never sweet. Uzi, sweep him off his feet. Didn't brush his teeth. Dirty mouth, I got that orbit. Shit at night, samurai, I got that sword, bitch. On my fucking grizzly, so you know I eat my porridge. And I never been back to school, you probably heard of it. And I know for cooking up them bars, no chocolate. I shoot pretty fast, go hard like Stojakovic. Stop it, I hit a nigga where his fucking pockets is. Then tell him run to the crib where his stash is. Then hit his ass in his face like I'm Cassius Clay. Most of you niggas gay, don't get the time of day, okay? Pull up in that new shit, that orange shit, Frito. I hit a nigga eat his ass up like a Cheeto. I don't care about shit for because I just go. And they just know me by that nigga Mark on the low. Hit a nigga with that fucking 7, call him mellow. I don't care about shit, bitch, I'm in it like a jello. Call me fucking Maul, bitch, I'm going till I'm going. I keep up in this bitch, they call me Maul, bitch, I'm flowing. Freestyle, but I don't have a fucking brain. So what the fuck am I going? I'm going fucking insane. Hit that with that fucking orange. I don't get no fuck, I'm in this bitch like Punch. And you know I'm finna run. I don't care about shit. Bitch, Crunch Bar, I'm the crunch. Hit a nigga with that fucking blitz. What's that? That's the punch.
Yo, Bo just killed that shit, though. Got that type of money, got white boys singing gnarly. All because I pull up with that motherfucking Harley. Fangs out, blood, nigga, like I'm allergic to garlic. I don't get no fuck, nigga, I just go in hard. And you can try Ace of Queen, I'ma pull your card, bitch. Put your ass down, nigga, eat you up like lard, bitch. Leave your ass like tar, but I'm burning up the track, nigga, burning up these weeds, nigga, burning up that crack. I supply, you just die while a nigga get fly. Tell your bitch to stop, nigga, cause we don't have a time to cry. Nigga got that time to fly. Nigga got that Roman time. Rolex on my watch, 50 grand like I'm holding, man. Nigga, you just showing, man. I pull up like it's showtime. Now it's not a go time. It's just time to hold time. Yo, bitch doing dicks. Teach her tricks like a stick. Nigga, tell that bitch to fetch. Bring my money back real quick. Nigga, bitch, better have my dough. I don't play with these hoes. If she got bands for red bottom, she got bands to blow.
I don't play with these hoes. If she got bands for red bottom, she's a fucking gold. Hit her ass on the fucking low. I don't care about shit, folk. Talking shit, I split it. I pull up in that bitch. What's that 7 digits? Yeah, I got her number. Hold on, call me bitch. I'm on the low. I'm getting money, getting it fast. Don't crash. That's my task in the fucking Audi. I'm blowing loudly. They talking shit, bitch. I run miles like I'm Derek. I hit a nigga in the